So I'm making a little movie about my ARE camper shell, which is mounted on top of the Tacoma, the Toyota Tacoma. And as you can see, the camper shell has an aluminum rack on there. And up on the top are solar panels. So I put some solar panels actually kind of embedded right into the frame of the rack. And you might notice that the window, this is pretty secure. It's thick glass, and it's got this grate in there that it's been pretty tough to break into one of these things. And it's got secure locks all the way around. In the cab, though, I make oh, look at that. Let's unlock this. In the cab here, I wanted to show you what I got. It's got the access cab in this Tacoma. There's 5 gallons of water. It's empty right now. There's my good old backpack. External frame, of course. And there's my boots. There's the old Kelty. Now in there, you see what that is? That's a bicycle, an electric. It's an e-bike. And it's got a basket attached to the rack. It's a good strong rack. It's a really fantastic bicycle. It's called electric. It's how electric. You see, it fits right into the back seat. It folds in half. Fits right in the back seat. Now these things right here, these are covers for the solar panels. From here, I can show you the solar panels. Step up. There we go. There they are. Those are the panels. 3 different types. 250 waters, and then 100 water, and then another 100 water. There's my TV antenna. I'm going to mount it so it's laying down. This is my HD TV antenna, and that's where the wires go down into the camper shell. See that thing over there? That's a chain lock, and there's a key. It goes into a lock, so I can actually put the solar panels under lock and key. I can cover them all with these sheets of plywood. And I could, if I wanted to, I could lay my 4-foot aluminum ladder on top and even chain the ladder down as well with that lock. And you can see the panels are supported by a steel grit, and on top of that a steel grade, and then on top of that is a hardware cloth, 1/2-inch hardware cloth. It's painted white, and lets the air flow underneath, keeps them nice and cool. So anyway, those are the solar panels. There's the e-bike. There's the things to cover the solar panels. And I've got a window here, and that's into the back. There's my little fan. There's another fan. So I installed a window in the back of the camper van. I'll show you that from the other side as well. So let's go around the other side of this truck. There we go. I wanted to show you here. Look at that. There's 15 gallons of water. They're in these 2.6 gallon bags. They're collapsible bags filled with water. I'm testing them out. So I'm seeing if they work. I sure hope they do. They're highly recommended. There's the bike. The other side of the bike, folded in half there, and you can see there's the panels back there. Okay, this this is the best part. These big empty shelves, these are about 6 feet long and 12 inches deep, and this is only about 10 or 12 inches. Up above here, this is about 16 inches tall. Put all kinds of cool stuff in there. So I think that's really great to have that storage area. And here's the main part. Yeah, You see that gray thing there? That's a refrigerator. Refrigerator, freezer. Right now it's serving as a freezer. It's an AC/DC freezer. And above it, 15-inch TV. There's a DVD player and a radio. There's a inverter microwave oven. Not just a microwave, an inverter microwave that costs $160. But it worked great. And above it is the thing that costs $1,300. That is the they call it a solar generator or a power supply. It's a lithium battery, it's an inverter, and it's a charge controller all rolled into one. Up above, a big cardboard or plastic box, and that's where I could put all my clothes. It's so almost 3.5 feet long and about 2 feet wide. There's a light bulb, an LED of course. Over here's the bed. See this thing? See the mattress? The blue thing? That's the mattress. 32 inches wide. 6 feet 1 inches long, 5 inches thick. That's thick mattress made by the Amish in Ohio. And this thing folds down, boom. And it folds down onto these little legs here. See these legs? You cut off a kitchen table. Or it can sit right on top of these. I actually have four of these little ice chests here. And it'll support the bed. And will hide under the bed. Look at that, there's 100 feet of solar cable, a wire. So that means I can take the panels off of the roof and park the truck under a beautiful ponderosa pine while I set those solar panels out in the meadow, 100 feet away. I got these little aluminum legs that hold them up at a 45-degree angle to get the sun. So, yeah, this is the interior. I'm all together, and the project is still being worked on. So that is my Tacoma. I'm all set up to survive the apocalypse and the dystopian society to follow. All I need is water, rice, and beans, because I'm solar powered. Of course, if there were an EMP, an electromagnetic pulse, that means everything would just go out in an instant, and there wouldn't just be